So let's start with um, buying EUSD. This is the most important because you cannot interact inside this. You cannot participate without EUSD. So I know it's sideways, but I'm gonna kind of give you a visual of what it looks like. So the left side represents sell orders, and the right side represents buy orders. What does that mean? It means that on the left side, these are the people that want to sell. That these are the people who are putting orders out there. Um, think of it like they're like ads, okay? Like they're putting out there that they want to sell that basically that there's a that you can actually they're putting it in there that they want to sell their EUSD. Now on the right side, these are all the buy orders. So which means that you can if there's available in there, if you want to sell it, you can go to the left side and you can actually sell to the person and that is waiting for you to sell it. But if you're looking to buy, there's someone on the right side that wants you to sell it. I mean, that wants you to buy it. So, so basically, this gives you an opportunity for you to buy or sell EUSD. So you'll be in here a lot. For example, right now, I believe that most of you want to participate in, or you have friends or people that you know that want to participate in. So chances are that you're going to buy EUSD. So in this case, let's say you click on one of those on the right side, right? So when you click on it, I know it's sideways, but I'm going to try my best here. So on the top, yeah, on the top it says unit price. That means that the EUSD is being sold at $1.03, okay, which is the 3% fee. So basically, let's say that Paul wants to purchase a 1,000 unit kit. So he puts 1,000 in. And on the bottom, it's going to calculate the total amount that you're going to get. So you can see right there, it's 999.10 USDT. So what does that mean? That means that you're not getting 1,000 because of the fee. There's a 0.03 right there. Okay. So what's going
Sorry,
to happen?
Tuan, sorry. What for the total transact that? Sorry, guys. I will be working with the developers on making sure that all the English translations are correct because I know sometimes they get very confusing. So I just want to add something. For the total transaction amount, 99.1 USDT, that is how much you needed in your wallet in USDT to buy the 1,000 EUSD.
Got it.
Okay, yeah.
So yeah,
Oh yeah.
that's the reason why I needed you.
Yeah. So, oh, and sorry, and also the other thing, the unit price, the $1.03, that is the seller's price. So what the seller want to sell USD for. They want to sell it not for $1, but for $1.03. And why do people buy? Because remember how when we buy USD, we get 3% extra, right? So that basically balance it out. So that's why you're, as you see at the bottom, we only need 999.1 USDT to actually get 1,000 USD.
Right. So when
So
you buy, when you're buying, you're actually getting more.
yes, if
You're getting three.
yeah, if they sell the unit price at $1, we will need less USDT, 3% less to get 1,000 EUSD. Because in this market, if we look at the word, sorry, let me go back here to this page. At the bottom, there's a very small words, right? So what it means is that when everyone sells or buys, there will be a fee. I mean, if we are buying USD from this market, we will get 3% extra. If we are selling USD through this market, well, there will be 5% tax. So the price is the price that the sellers or buyers decide, place in order what they want to buy or sell at what price. But the percentage, the 3 and 5%, is done automatically through a smart contract.
Got it.
Yep.
So Paul, let's do some Q&A for a second, okay?
Okay. Sure.
So basically, some people have asked why don't they have an exchange? Why is it a marketplace where people are buying and selling it? You want to explain that really quick?
Okay. Because sorry. Because if we need a market, an exchange, or the other word would be a liquidity pool, that means we have to have a USD versus USDT liquidity pool, right? And with a liquidity pool, then there's a risk of deep peg. Is that the word to use, Tuan?
Yeah, depegging.
For
Yep.
example, in the current market, US there's a stable coin called TUSD. I'm not sure if you guys see this on the news. TUSD, which the name is True USD. I think it's developed by Justin Sun or something. It's the top 5 stable coin in the world. So
Mm-hmm.
recently they got depegged. So it's like 0.88 versus one TUSD to exchange for USDT. So it's worth less. It's 20% less than an actual stable coin, right? So that is something that we don't want, or we don't want the price to go up, because that's what happens when you have a liquidity pool. So, and the reason why they want EUSD, we are using EUSD for this system at the beginning, because they want to control the money getting in, not the money going out. So it limit people, to put a lot of money in at the very beginning. And with marketplaces, because people who earn EUSD, there's gonna be 2 ways they're gonna use this EUSD. They're gonna use it for their team, because their team need packages. They have earned USD. They just sell their USD to their team directly, personally, right? And or they are going to sell the EUSD back to USDT, then they can decide to sell in the marketplace. So that's, then we know the developers, that they can monitor the momentum through on this whole organization through the transactions of EUSD, and they can have a limited amount. Because if we go to a smart contract now, there's only 5 million EUSD right now. And basically, since we had a migration from Novolink, that is what was left in Novolink. So there's only 5 million EUSD. And when the momentum goes up, then they will know, okay, we need more EUSD so more people can participate. When the momentum goes down, they will buy back EUSD and they will burn it.
What they saying about them too?
Okay. So there's a very complex reason why behind it, because of the whole project. And the main goal for these to happen is to make sure that this project can last eternity for a very long time. So that's the main reason why they created USD, because that was the one of the questions I asked them. Like, it's just like USDT. Why don't we just USDT? And they try to explain it to me. But since I've never owned a project, or I've never been part of a split system, I myself is also trying to learn like the logic behind everything. And the more I learn about Eternal, the more I was fascinated by, first, the complexity, but also how smart they are. Yeah. But I'm not sure if we want to go down that line in this call. But yeah, we can share more later. I hope this answers this
Okay, good.
question, Bob. Yeah.
Good enough. I mean, that basically they want to control like the how much is coming in, because a lot of times these projects, the sustainability is a challenge. So they want to be able to monitor the supply. They want to be able to actually be able to actually see the growth of it. And of course, I think we'll understand more over time. but let's continue on, guys. So so basically, most important thing is like if you need to buy EUSD because you can only enter in here into this project with EUSD, you would technically on the right side, you would click buy and then you would just fill out those that information right there. And yeah, let's say you bought a certain amount, and then after you're done, you if this is what you agree upon, then you would press buy EUSD. Now, you cannot buy EUSD. The only way you can buy EUSD is with USDT FSE20. This is correct, right, Paul?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to show you how to buy USDT FSC in a set after we're done showing you this back office for a second, okay? So number one, let's kind of answer that first question in that chat box, okay? So if you are seeing something in Chinese, don't worry, you can switch it. All you have to do is click on that bottom button right there. It says mine on the bottom right there. Once you click on that, you're going to see some tabs on the left side. Or in this case, it's on the top. But you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you click on setup, which is on the bottom, and then there's three rectangles, right? Long ones. So then you would click on the English button, or it'd be in Chinese, and then obviously you would switch over to English and then confirm. Now, sometimes when you're looking at your DAP and it looks like it's halfway stuck, like for example, maybe you don't see these tabs on the top right here or on the left side, right? What you can do is you can press the three dots on the right side, on right next to the purple icon of Eternal. When you click on that, there is a refresh button. When you press refresh right there, when you refresh it, everything will reload, and most of the time, you're able to actually see it pop up. Okay. Now, if you don't see that, if you did the refresh and it still doesn't work, there's a high chance that you need to update your wallet, or you need to update your phone's software. Those are probably the only things that I can probably give you answers for. So now the other thing is, how do you refer other people? Okay, so in regards to referring other people, under mine, you're going to see where it says team node. So you would click team node on the left side, and you have this section that says contact diagram. So when you click on contact diagram, you have the opportunity to be able to decide where you want to place people. The gray out areas are positions that are already filled out. If you press the blue area, then you can assign where you want to place them. Once you click on that, once you click on one of those blues, let's say, for example, you clicked on that right one right there, then now you would be prompted to this page, and you can, what you want to do is you want to paste the user's address. So you have to whoever that says, I want to join your expansion team. I'm in. I want to get started with you in Eternal. You would need them to go open up a BitGet wallet. Once they open up once they download the DApp, I mean the wallet, and then they create their own wallet, have them give you their wallet address, and then basically once they give it to you, you would paste it in where the top part is right there, and then you can actually confirm and generate a code for them. Okay. So once you generate a code, all they have to do is go to one website. Everyone has the same website, units.eternal, that one. If you don't have it, make sure you get it from, you have it, because if you're on everyone here is part of Eternal. But you would give them the website, they log in through the BitGet browser, and then basically punch that in, and they're officially binded to your wallet once that's done. Okay, so now let's do this. Let's go to how do you actually buy USDT and get EUSD, okay? I mean, first, before I do that, Paul, is there anything else that you want to mention in this area or no? or in the
Oh,
DAP that
okay.
people need to see? Oh, the splits, right? You want to show them the splits and
No,
stuff?
no, no. So I thought before, what we found out, that all the comp plan, all the commissions and the comp plan are paid in seconds. So let me show you. When you go to asset, these here are the coins that's being paid. Remember, for all our earnings, 10%, 10% are in farm, 10% are in PUSD, right? And 80% will be in EUSD. And so here will be the balance. And income, it will show you like how much, where you've earned those income today. And don't worry about the English wording. They will all be changed to the terms that we know. I would, once they are done today, just making sure that everything is right, and they'll be ready for me to tell them where to change the words. Okay. So what we've noticed that everything is calculated in seconds. As you can see on the right, this is my current USD earning for this position. So on the right, it's calculated, it's been given to me. There's a timestamp on every second. So as you can see on the 9th, this position bought $1,000 package. And then on the 17th, which is yesterday, this position earned $2.8, right, on USD in our time, 1:54 a.m. Okay, and distribution return. This is actually, as you can see on this position's binary, there's no right leg, right? So this is the earning of the what's the third income that we are earning? Matching bonus. Yeah, the 7 levels matching bonus. So like this position and like two matching bonus and 2.8 on each. Okay, so all the commissions are calculated in seconds. And once you earn those commissions, on the right here, withdraw. So you can withdraw anytime you want, instantly. Okay. Oops. Anyway, I'll just withdraw it.
Guys, this is a fun conversation, right? We're talking about how you can see money and how
Okay.
you can withdraw. It comes in seconds. Come on, that's awesome.
Yeah. So it's success. Okay. And if we go to our wallet now, we should see EUSD, which I will show you later. So it was like 5.6. Okay. And the other one I want to make sure that everybody understand the farm. This is why we want to earn farm, because the farm, 10% are paid in farm, right? But it's released to us 2% a day. So in this position, there's 0.16 farm that's locked, which will be released at the bottom. As you can see, it's releasing per day, 2% a day. So we will, once it's released, it will be in balance, and we can withdraw those farm that's being released to us every single day. Okay, and this is the only way how people can earn farm, right? So it's the same for all the assets here. The Eternal, don't worry about it. It's something that they are preparing for this ecosystem in the future. So they just put it in now, but we are not doing anything with the Eternal token yet, because there's no details yet, right? So yeah, so I guess if you have been earning income, you will find that all the income that's we earn are calculated instantly, and once it's in our back office, we can withdraw it instantly. Okay, so I just withdraw the USD, so it came in, right? So it's now out my money, right? So so this is something that you guys will be very familiar with our Phone Smart Chain and everything that we do, because we believe in Web3. In Web3, we believe instant, meaning when we want to stake, we stake. When we want to withdraw, we can withdraw. Everything is decided by us, because I believe a lot of people being in projects where when we withdraw, we have to wait until they press enter. They allow us to withdraw. But when we buy a package, it's always easy to buy a package, but it's always sometimes it's hard to withdraw our own money back into our wallet. That's not the case with Fund Smart Chain and all the dApps that we've developed over the past years. We believe in Web3. We believe in the freedom of we have the control in our assets. So that is how we develop everything. Okay, Tuan, back to you. Thank you.
Paul, thank you so much. That's very insightful. And let's look at this really quick, okay? So you have EUSD right here, and that's something that people can't spend, right? So let's say, for example, they want to be able to um, cash that out to USDT because USDT is something that they can spend. So how do you how do you do that?
Okay, so you go to Eternal. I go to market, right? So I want to place an order. On the left tab, there's two tabs. One is market, one is order. So right now I want to sell my EUSD. So as you can see, the words are very small, but above the sell EUSD tab on the top right side, you can see how much is in my wallet. I have 5.61. So I can decide how much I want to sell. If I am urgent, I want to sell it faster, then I type a cheaper price, for example, $1, and I'm willing to sell all my EUSD, which I can't because I believe we need at least $10 to sell that. Let me see. I haven't played with it yet. Yeah, so you need at least 10 USD to place an order. So once you have placed an order, people can see from the marketplace. So they will be choosing who to buy from, right? So there's, as you can see on the right, there are people selling at 1.05, there are people selling at 1.04, and there are people selling at 1.03. You can sell it at 1.02. Even if you want, you can sell it at 0.9, right? But I don't think anybody want to do that. So this is the way how you change back to USDT now. Yes.
Perfect. All right. Perfect. So let's go into how to buy USDT FSC. So the first thing is um let's say for example uh you have Ethereum, or let's give someone a real life example. Let's say someone has either Ethereum or BNB. I mean, Paul, do you have any of those on you or no? Like
Let me see.
$5 worth or of Ethereum or BNB or something like that?
Hang on, let me check. Ethereum in this wallet? No. BNB, BNB, no. Okay,
I guess
let me
maybe I
close
can
my
send you
share
some.
first. Let me find a wallet.
No problem. So what we're gonna do is I think it's good that you guys can see how this works because um BNB is very easy to get. If you have access to an exchange, you can get BNB. Ethereum's also really easy to get. Okay, you can get that as long as you have an exchange access to like Coinbase, Binance.com. Very easy to get access to these different tokens or different coins. And my main goal is to show you how to take one of those coins and then m- go move it from that to all the way up to USDT FSC. So getting into the system is a little interesting, but I think once you do it several times, it becomes very easy to do. Okay. I wish I can
Sorry,
show you
guys.
guys how to do it here.
Okay, I don't have extra. Um, I don't. Hang on.
Let me see.
So, so it's not actually buying USDT FSC20, it's actually bridging from other blockchain to FSC, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can send
I
you
don't
some BNB.
BNB.
Yeah. Just all you gotta do is give me your QR code right now in front of everybody.
Everybody can send some to me too.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so if we want to do bridge, then send me 10 10 10 USD. I mean 10 USDT at least, and a little bit of BNB, and I'll send it back after the Zoom.
Sure, no
Yeah.
problem. Well, I was gonna show you like literally from like scratch. Let's say they only got B and B. What
Oh,
happened?
okay. Okay. Yeah, sure. No problem. They send me the BNB, and we'll go through the swap and then bridge.
Okay. So let's
Hi
see.
guys, this is my wallet. You can try and send me some BNB if you want, just to make sure.
Okay, so pulling up here, I got some. I think I have. Let's see here. Scan, and then I'll send 0.5.
Yep.
Okay, so it's on its way.
So we need to go to Pancake Swap, right?
Yeah. So once updates, did update?
No, that's okay. Let's go to Pancake Swap. Yeah, it's here.
Yep. So the first thing everyone that if you have BNB in example, then you need to swap it to USDT. So and here's what if you notice what Paul did, he didn't swap 100% of it. The reason why is because BNB is needed as the gas coin for all transactions. So he's not going to swap all because if he did, he can't do anything afterwards. So he's only going to swap just enough, but leave a little bit behind. So that way there's enough BNB for the transaction fees. So he's going to
Yeah.
swap it to USDT
Oh,
BEP20.
bro, sorry. I think the bridging is at least $50 or $30 in USDT. So do
Oh,
you
really?
have? Yeah. So can you just send me another 20 USDT and BNB and Binance? Yeah.
Sure. Well, if I have it.
Okay,
Let's
so
see.
guys, so now I'm going to swap. If you only have BNB, Pancake Swap is the the swap that you want to go to use in Binance Smart Chain. Okay, it's one of the most famous decentralized exchange in blockchain, and they are famous because they are the first on Binance. So just click swap. It's all very easy. Just click confirm, and then we just wait. And once it's done, you will see the balance for both token will change. Okay. Okay, so as you can see right now, my BNBs have changed to the USDT. So if we go back to the wallet and I'll add USDT and it will show. Okay. But
Open up your receiving for me really quick.
okay.
Okay, I'm good.
Okay. So most people will have BSC USDT, Binance USDT. And if you don't, most exchanges, when you withdraw USDT in different exchanges, they have Binance BSC as an option. So you might have a USDT on, for example, Binance Exchange or let's say OKX Exchange, right? When you withdraw USDT, they will ask you to choose which blockchain you want to withdraw to. So Font Chain is not supported yet. That's one of our goals in the future. But right now, you can choose Binance You can choose Ethereum, you can choose Polygon, which are supported with our bridge. So you can withdraw through these blockchains into your wallet. And then, oh, okay, wow, thank you, Tuan. $100. Okay, so once you have the USDT in Binance, Polygon, Tron, or even Ethereum, then you want to go to our high swap bridge. So high swap. Okay. Okay, Tuan, you want to take it here? Or
Okay, so
yeah.
basically, so far, Paul went ahead and actually swapped BNB to USDT, and this is on the BNB chain. So now, what you want to do is you're in high swap, and you want to be able to bridge it from USDT from BNB chain to USDT Fawn chain. So in this case, um, it shows that there's 112.9 in the balance. So he's going to go ahead and bridge it over to the Fawn network. And on the bottom right there, you can see it says receiving address. This is the default address of yours. So just know that it's an EVM compatible blockchain. That means that BNB, Ethereum, Fawn Smart Chain, they're all interconnected. So when you swap it, it just stays right in the same wallet, but through a different blockchain. So we're going to authorize it.
Yep. And right now, as you can see on the bottom, limited time free. So right now, bridging from other blockchain to Fawn, there's no fees. That's why you see we are bridging 112.9, but we are also getting 112.9,
Oh, that's nice
meaning,
of them.
yeah, that sometimes they do that, but they don't really announce it. So if you're lucky, when they have this kind of promotion, then that is great. Okay, so I
Per-
authorized, and
Perfect.
then
Now you just press exchange. Yeah.
I just press exchange, and it'll be done within, I think, around 10 seconds. So now, it shows on this is what the smart contracts are doing now. All right, it's sending over to HiSwap your USDT, and then HiSwap will be sending USDT to your fund. So now it's all done. Success. So we close the step. We go back to our wallet. Sometimes it's a bit slow for av.ai. This is the wallet I'm using personally. Okay, so as you can see, 112.9 has been sent out. So this should see zero. I'm staying in the same wallet as you can see on the top, right? 0xEDF6, right? So I'm in the same wallet. EVM compatible, meaning all I need to do is to change another blockchain in the same wallet, same address. And
It's at the
where's
top,
font? Oh, at the top.
right there.
Oh,
FSC.
okay. Yeah. Okay, so now the USDT is now in Fawn chain in the same wallet.
Okay, perfect. So guys, now that Paul has USDT FSC, now he can buy EUSD inside the DApp. So we're going to show you how that looks like. You're going to go in. Yep. Paul, just go ahead and buy it because I need that EUSD anyways.
Oh, okay, sure. So I am going to go to market. I am going to choose the cheapest one, which is 1.03 on the right side, the top right side. I'm going to click buy. And at the bottom, you can see above BUSD, buy BUSD tab on the top right, you can see how much USDT you have in your wallet, 112.9, right? So I'm going to input, let's say, I'll just put, the trading multiple of 10, that means we have to do at least 10 USD. So I have 112, so I'm going to buy 110. Which I can't because it requires 118 USD. So I need to bottom down 100. Okay, 100, then it's 99. So I click on buy. Wait, hang on. Let me just confirm something. Why is it 188? Oh, 118. Okay, here, 109 USDT is needed, right? So all I need to do is click buy USD. Sorry guys, I've got someone at my door, so I'm gonna just buy it, and then
And then you want me to take over?
yeah. Okay, now it's done. Hang on, and we should see it here. Sorry guys.
It usually takes a little while. There he goes. Perfect. I see it right there. 115. Paul, you still there? Oh, nope. I think I can take over.
Yes. Sorry.
Yep. Well, everyone sees it, so it's good.
Okay.
Let me take over from here. You can stop screen sharing.
Okay. Thank you.
Let me look at this question for Angel really quick. If someone started at 500, how can they upgrade to a 1,000 package? Great question. This DApp doesn't have an upgrade. It only has whatever package or whatever unit kit you buy, you're gonna stay with that unit kit until you complete a cycle. And the definition of a cycle is when the unit price doubles, so does the value of the units, the value of your units that you own. So when the value of units actually appreciate, when it doubles, then basically 25% of it will be sold automatically for you, and that's that's withdrawable instantly for you. And then when it splits, basically you actually have whatever's left over, and it's going to be waiting for it to double again. So you have to be able to uh you have to be able to actually 8 times that 250 that I was explaining to you. So when you finally cycle, in this case, if for 1,000 you get 250 8 times, when you finish one cycle, you can actually buy the package that you want. How do you know when the cycle ends? So you can look at there is a section in the DApp, which I can't show you. Paul, you there?
Can I? Yep. I'm back.
Okay, go ahead.
Sorry, guys. Okay. Thank you, Angel. So it's so yeah, just like what Tom said. If you want to upgrade, you have to wait until you 2x of what you put in. For example, if he put in 500, he can upgrade to a bigger kit after he earned 1,000, meaning 8 times on the passive side. Okay, so here's something that I think a lot of people were starting to learn. We can do a call just on this part because it's a bit confusing. It's a bit complicated. Okay, so if you have a package, go to combo. This is where we bought our package, right? And we can see if we bought a package on order. Okay, if you click on order, you should see order you had $100, $500, or $1,000 kit. Okay, and most of them have down the line. There's a place where it says funding progress. Okay, there's 2 numbers, right? And a lot of them are still in waiting line for the units for them to able to get the units. and there's a reason behind it. Okay, but I will talk about it afterwards. But and this order. So an order is when you can see you have successfully you have successfully secured a package or a kit. And home trend. Okay, so this is what we see now. During the migration, when the migration start on the first day, some people who got them first already got the units, and the unit price starts to increase. And because there's too much money coming in on the first day from Novolink, so right now the system is controlling how much the value of the unit can go up per day. It's going up 0.1 per day. Okay, so it's been over 10 days since the migration of Novolink. So today it went to $2. Today it hit $2, and it did the first split. The first split. Okay, so now the price of the unit became $1. So what happens with this account? Okay, so when I first got in, my units that I got is 450. That means I'm not the first one who got the units, right? I have a total of 450 units. I can't remember the exact number, but if we divide 450, 500 divided by 450, I bought the unit at $1.11. Okay, so I had 450 units. All right. So now, as you can see, my unit is 901 because it did the first split. Because the price went to $2, so it will do a split, and then the price is now back to $1, as you can see on the current price. So the price of the unit will be always between $1 and $2, $1 and $2. So now it's back to $1, and it did a split. So now everybody who owns units whose account are not reached to 1,000, now you have double amount of those units. Okay, so now I have 901.713. So on the right side, where this blank boxes, these are the 8 times of the 250 that we earn. So you will see it comes up, I guess. So now I am calculating, for example, I have 901.73 units, right? So when will my account reach $1,000? $1,000 divided by 901 point, how much? 901.713. 713. So when the unit hit 1.109, which could be tomorrow, this account will be worth 1,000. So this account could earn the 250 USD. And then I will have leftovers on units because it only sold 250, right? So after maybe another few days to grow 750 back to 1,000, then the smart contract will automatically sell another 250, and it will go back to 750 worth in value. So I know it's a bit, it could be a bit confusing, a lot of math, but like this is what we are also observing as well, because this is our first time to be part of this this kind of split system. Yeah, so we will share more details on what's going on, what's happening, and in the next few days, so I can share how people earn passively. All right. So yep, that's it for now. Thank you.
All right, I'm pretty sure people are going to need more training on that one because boy, you went through a bunch of numbers really fast. So, but it's
Yes.
good. It's okay. I think how's everyone gonna learn all this all in one setting? Okay, so that's why you got to keep plugging back in. So let's look at this really quick. Let's make sure that we wrap up all the questions before we wrap up here. So we got about a 500 package. How do I see this? Okay, we already said that. It says waiting. Does that mean it hasn't gone through yet?
It's
Under the
in the
order.
wait. It's in the waiting because of 0 point. Okay, so I I need to do another call, and I need to write out the math for you. Then you understand why some people are waiting. Why, what's the reason behind it? And it's pretty clever what they did. But what I can assure you is, from what I know, the amount of, with all of us, we are able to get the 2x in, I think my last calculation was around in 3 months. Some could be 2 months, 3 months. And I would say conservatively, at the most 4 months. So whatever package you have right now, you will earn 2x in 4 months. And that ROI is 50%. It could be 2 months, right? So right now it's pretty crazy. Yeah. So a lot of people are starting to get the idea. Even a lot of the Chinese community that I have my site, they are still observing. But today, I saw some people are start earning, and a lot of them got excited because all the commissions was calculated in seconds, right? So yeah, so a lot of people just like us, we are trying to understand how the system works, but we are start to seeing excitement build up within the communities. So don't worry, guys. We will do more calls. We'll share all the details that we know to you. And if you don't understand the first time, just watch the recording or just join back to the calls.